Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Ford Transit mirror. First, gather your essential tools, including a screwdriver, a trim removal tool, and a new mirror assembly. Make sure the replacement mirror is the correct one for your specific Ford Transit model. Working in a well-lit area will make the process much easier and safer. This simple method will help you get your van back in top shape quickly, saving you time and money on professional repairs. Now, let's get that old mirror off. Begin by carefully prying off the interior door panel. This gives you access to the mirror's wiring and mounting bolts. Once the panel is loose, disconnect the electrical connector that powers the mirror's functions. Finally, use your screwdriver to remove the 3 or 4 mounting bolts that secure the mirror to the door frame. Keep these bolts handy, as you might need them for the new installation. With the old mirror removed, it's time for the new one. Carefully position the new mirror assembly onto the door frame, aligning the bolt holes. Insert the mounting bolts and tighten them firmly, but avoid over-tightening to prevent damage. Next, reconnect the electrical connector, ensuring it clicks securely into place. This restores power to your mirror's adjustments and heating elements, if applicable. A quick check will confirm everything is working. Before you finish up, perform a quick test. Adjust the mirror to ensure it moves correctly and check any heating functions. Once you're satisfied, carefully reattach the interior door panel, making sure all clips snap back into place for a secure fit. This easy method helps you replace your mirror efficiently. Also, if you're looking to upgrade your home tech, check out the Echo Dot smart speaker. You can find a link for that and other great deals in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.